So for this question here, we're asked to actually find the area between this curve and these two lines and the x-axis. And I did a quick sketch off screen, and the graph kind of goes like this, more line. Here's 3 and here's 4, so it's all above the axis, and that's the region we're looking for. And so in order to do it, I know then that I'm going to find the area, which is x squared minus 5 dx from 3 to 4. But finding this particular antiderivative is quite challenging. I have to apply my u substitution. This here is going to be my u. And the reason why I know that is if I find the derivative of this, I end up with some kind of x with extra coefficients, which I can work with. So I'm going to let u be x squared minus 5. So du is equal to 2x. The 5 goes away, dx. Now I almost have this. This is almost there, but I have an x and a dx. X and a dx, I have to get rid of the 2. In order to get rid of the 2, I'm going to divide by 2. Du is equal to x dx, and now I can do a straight substitution. And so I know this is an x equal to 3 and an x equal to 4. And so I can take this 1/2 here, I'm going to put it outside. And du replaces the x and the dx. And it's going to be, this is my u, square root to the 1/2. Now I continue with this. I know I'm going to take the antiderivative, recognizing these are x's. So I'm going to go, this is going to be u to the 3/2 times 2/3, and this is x equal 3 to x equal 4. And so one of the things I can do, which I've not shown you before, but I can convert these x values to u's. And so I know that when x equals 4, this scenario u will be 16 minus 5 is 11. When x is equal to 3, I can say 9 minus 5 u is equal to 4. So as opposed to 4 to 3, I can make this 11 to 4. It'll be the same thing. I also recognize that those two cancel, and so I'm going to do 1/3 u to the 3 over 2 from 4 to 11. Which then is 1/3 11 to the 3/2 minus 4 to the 3/2. And that is some decimal that I don't know the answer to. And so this is 1/3. Let me just simplify this. I know this is going to be the square root of 11 cubed minus what the square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8, and that should suffice.